Hello everyone, my name is Vivan and today we are going to be doing these seven segments. Seven segments are these. These are very easy and we are going to start learning the basics. First you can see anode and cathode. The left one is called anode and the right one is cathode. And where do you connect it? From the top center you connected anode, and from the bottom center is cathode. So how do we start the connection? First, I'm going to start the connection from anode. You take a coin cell which is 3 volts. Now you take a resistor and you keep it and one resistance. One resistance is enough. Now what do you do next? You take a wire and connect it to the top center. That is the anode. And now you need to take a side switch. If you connect it like that, if you connect it like this, if you just connect it with this and just connect it to any of the segments, it just does this, nothing. It just turns on. I forgot to tell you guys all these segments name. The most top one is called A segment. The right from that is called is B segment. Next, bottom to the B segment, bottom right, you will see C segment. Then comes and you see D segment on the most bottom. Next is E segment, and then comes F on over here. The center one is G. Next, if you can connect it like this to any of the segments like that, but it is still going to turn on. You will also see actually 8 segments. You think there's 8 segments because of this dot over here, but there are 8 LEDs and 7 segments. These lines are segments. You have to take a side switch, connect the side switch like this. Then you take another wire and connect to any of the segments you like, and then do this. Now you can see that one of the segments is on. Now we're going to do it with the cathode. The cathode is a little bit different, so it's not that difficult too. You need to this time go to the bottom. And now to take a side switch and then connect it like this, and then connect it to any of the segments. And you can also see it on, but you won't actually see it right now because my side switch is right now off. So for that we are just going to on it. Oh, it's burning. Oh, it's burning. Looks like I forgot to put this resistor. You can connect it anywhere you want. Just put the resistor anywhere. You can put it below negative or positive. They work. Then you turn it on and you have a segment. Now I want to show you my whole segment. Right over here you will see them. Over here I made 3 and over here I made 8. In the 8 it is much bigger because you can turn on and off any of those segments.